Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I am here to show you how to make a bookmark out of leaves. For that, I went down to pick some dead leaves. A bookmark is a marking tool used by readers. After collecting variety of leaves, I sanitized my hands. Keep a few leaves inside a plastic and use an iron box to press it. Hey, be careful to cut that with the paper because plastic will melt if hot iron box is placed on it. Move the iron in slow and steady motion. Don't let it sit in one place for too long.